Welcome to episode 2 of Uncle Spike's AX. We're at the seaside.
Almost.
Nearly at the seaside. We're at the seaside because Uncle Spike's been trying to buy an engine and some brakes and some suspension off of various people, but as seems to be the way these days with buying anything off of people or buying anything that someone's trying to sell is you message them and they never message you back. I don't know why that is, but hey, you crazy bastard, what are you up to?
Like it.
No, I don't like it. Fucking idiot. Yeah, that went well. So Uncle Spike, albeit having been told that he won't be able to buy a Saxo VTS, has bought somebody's road Saxo VTS. So it just
Not yet.
no, it might be shit.
Or it might
That
be
said,
a photo.
might be a yeah. That said, if you're seeing this, there's probably a good chance it was alright, because hopefully in a minute it'll be on the trailer. So Uncle Spike buys this thing from Torquay, says to me, do you fancy going down and getting this car because you're insured? I'm like, how much MOT's on it? He's got 2 days MOT, and this bloke's pride and joy. Don't want to sell it to anyone local because he might see it driving around. So Uncle Spike's going to go down there, prize it out of his hands and take it to pieces. So I said, like, I'm not driving back someone's 3-day MOT car because I don't want to break down on a Sunday night. So I said, we'll bring the trailer down. So we're literally on the way down to get this thing now. So hopefully it won't be shit.
It will be.
It will be, yeah.
We'll probably still buy it.
Yeah, still buy it anyway. Right, so yeah, next thing we'll see, hopefully, will be a sheddy old Saxo we're reversing up onto a trailer.
Or an extremely grumpy me.
Or an extremely grumpy Spike. Or even worse, winching a car onto a trailer.
Yeah.
That's always good when you're trying to buy a runner. So, yeah, see what happens. Ooh, it's the sea. I heard that all the best non-rusty cars come from near the sea, Spike. Hello, I buy your car. Come and sell me your new car. That is low. Oh,
That's expensive, isn't it?
that's gonna bead, isn't it? It's gonna be beading. Oh, this takes me back. Horrible. So this is a goodbye, Spike. The seatbelts don't work. It's driving on its own.
We want a break then.
It's just taken off. I think the throttle pedal's stuck down or something. Oh no, the mat's on it perhaps. No, it's stuck down.
Car.
Oh God. So Uncle Spike's doing a bit of work. She's on the trailer. What a beaut. So the previous owner has asked Spike to keep in touch because he's had it for years, and you know, he's going to miss it a bit because he's formed a bit of a bond with it, Uncle Spike. And so Spike's going to keep in touch, aren't you, Uncle Spike?
Sorry?
You're going to keep in touch, aren't you? I think we should dyno this before. This is supposedly cammed. We've got boxes for the cams and receipts and stuff. So what cams are they?
PH3s.
New and PH3. So it's got to be worth checking out on the dyno just to see if it makes any of its claimed 950 horsepower. Was it meant to be standard 120? Yeah. We got to throw this on the dyno, haven't we? Just have a look.
104.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go for stock 120 with cams because it's got a full Kevin Nige. Oh my word!
It's only just done that after scrap it.
We should probably put the back wheels on the front before we dyno it.
Yeah, not gonna any better.
Beauty. 131 bhps.
That's 30 more than I was expecting.
Yeah, mate, that's all right, that. Have you not done any rare either? I haven't either. We should do it, really. Yeah, so ideally, we wanted, like, you know, 170. I don't know if you can see that screen, but if we bring up AFR...
170?
It'd be nice, wouldn't it? Yeah, thought that might be the case. So the ECU is quite obviously untuned. It goes really rich down to 11 AFR and then just goes up to a 14.5 AFR at the tail end. So it's obviously a stock ECU that can't cope with the cams. So that's a good thing because it does mean there's likely cams in it. That the injectors are worn out all to death.
So expensive.
It's completely knackered. But all in all, mate, like that's 11 horse up from stock.
Yeah.
22 years later.
And 100,000 miles.
And 100,000 miles. I'd say that's a win. I think, without a doubt, it's that air filter there.
Yeah.
Without a doubt, it's that.
And the perfect sealing.
But yeah, so you've got a 4-branch on there as well. A horrendous sounding exhaust that makes me shudder every time I move it.
Yeah, I cried a little bit.
So, plan is then to lift this entirety up out of there. What else?
Struts, rear beam.
Yep.
Brakes.
Brakes, master cylinder servo, all that nonsense as well.
If it fits, yes.
If it fits, yes. Cool. Nice new Vata battery as well on Spike.
Yeah, I can sell that.
Yeah. What about power steering? Is that not bothered?
I can't sell that first.
No, that's fair. All right. Well, overall, mate, I think that's all right. So you've got quite a few bits that you can sell here.
Yeah.
Paid, like, I think, strong money for the car, but by all accounts, everyone keeps telling me how cheap that is. So that's a good thing. All in all, what about, are we going to use this ECU, or are we going to just bin it off? Yeah, I think we should max it as well. Just fuck this off, and I'm bored of even looking at that.
You should definitely max it, because
There we go.
it's got a rusty plate on it. So
Yeah, it's got a rusty old plate. We put Max ECU Sport or something inside the AX. That's the fuel pump and ECU relay or ignition relay, whatever they call it for the... It's genius, isn't it? So yeah, overall, I'd say that's good. So yeah, Max ECU, because you can run it on that inlet manifold or whatever to start with, and then when you go bodies, it'll just be a doddle. Yeah. Unless you want to just put bodies on initially.
I can't afford to.
Oh, shut up.
I think the wife would kill me.
Yes, she'd love it. I think she was the one that said you should definitely put throttle bodies on that.
I think I heard that.
Yeah, I think I definitely heard that. She said,
swearing.
No. She said, I'm not getting in that AX until that's got throttle bodies on there.
I think she just said, I'm not getting in that AX.
Cool, mate. I think that's all right. Are we going to kick that for an episode? Doing a car bought episode 2, do you think? Or
Can we strip a little bit first or not?
strip a little bit? I don't know. Nah, I think we'll just get on with it in another one. Okay. Just do lots of little ones. I don't know, this is probably a few minutes long, to be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Well, there we go. So the donor car has been purchased. Making sensible numbers. Got to be happy with that.
Anybody want any panels?
Anyone want any Saxo panels or any non-rusty bits and pieces? In fairness,
I think it's not rusty.
Yeah, the shelf actually is quite good. Even in the boot where they all rot away, it's actually all right, to be fair. So if anyone wants any bits, let Uncle Spike know. As long as it isn't struts, brakes or engine.
Yeah, pretty much.
Right, okay, so thanks for watching. The next episode will be you taking this apart, I hope.
Us, Stephen, taking it apart. It's the royal we.
See you next time.
Cheers.
Like and subscribe.